All right, next is number 47 on your list. This is Acer saccharum, the sugar maple. Remember what we talked about last time? There is no I in sugar. So Acer saccharum is your sugar maple, and silver maple is Acer saccharinum that we did last time. So your sugar maple, the leaf is somewhat reminiscent of what we see in Acer platanoides. It is generally 5 lobes. It is our traditional maple-looking leaf, but there's a couple of ways to tell this guy apart very simply. One, if you look at the lobes, they're not as pointed as you see in Acer platanoides. In platanoides, your Norway maple, they come to an extremely fine point. They're very pointed. Another way to tell them apart during the growing season, when you pop the petiole off in Acer platanoides, it's got a milky sap. That's going to be lacking. You will not have the milky sap in your sugar maple. Okay, so those are a couple of characters. Another one is the fact that the buds are a really dead giveaway. In Acer platanoides, they're going to have those great big fat buds that are going to be green during the growing season, and then they're going to turn purple during the winter. In sugar maple, the buds are really, really fine. They're smaller and they're really sharp pointed. I mean, I always think you can basically almost draw blood. If you stab somebody with a sugar maple bud, you could probably break the skin. So really fine, brown, distinctly imbricate buds in sugar maple. Okay, and it is called sugar maple. It is where we get lots of our maple syrup, particularly on the East Coast. And it does have distinct bark. Take a look at your slides for that more distinct bark that you see in sugar maple. Acer saccharum.